Hey guys, Bison Box is coming here to tell you how we catch a fish in the upcoming video clips on Lake Cherokee. We started out holding the first spot, and Dad hooks up with a hopper on a bladed jig on a Woos Tournament Custom Pro reel on 15-pound Cigar VizX on a Jig Loomis 873 NRX rod. It was one of our first videos, so we didn't know what it would catch or what it don't catch, so it gets a little rough, so just bear with us. Roll up to our next stop, and fish catch gets kind of rough. Again, we didn't know what it would catch or what it wouldn't catch, so just bear with us through that. But the smallmouth come on a Angler Baits Custom 110 jerkbait on 12-pound Cigar and VizX on a Woos Tournament Light reel and on a 7-foot medium heavy rod. Fish on down the bank. Dad hooks up with one flipping. I call this the jig because it's our favorite jig, but it's a Secret Lures half-ounce HD flipping jig in Candy Crawl. We have this on 20-pound in VizX on a Woos Hyper Mag reel. This is one of my favorite reels ever on a 905 G Loomis Conquest rod. We make a little run, and Dad hooks up with another one right by the boat on the same half-ounce bladed jig on the same setup with a Tournament Custom Pro 15 Woos on 15-pound VizX.